Alright, got myself a new headset. I've never had a real quote-unquote gaming headset. This is the EPOS PC 38X Black analog gaming headset. These are from Sennheiser. Got them from a company called DROP. Alright, let's take a look inside. Carrying pouch. Comes with some extra pads, some foamy pads. Has the response of the speakers. And it comes with the detachable cable. Should be two cables in here. One cable is what I believe is 2.5 millimeter, which goes into the headphones, and one is 3.5. This is so you can like plug it into an Xbox controller, or a phone, or a PlayStation controller. And then it comes with the 2.5 to audio and microphone to plug into a computer. Very handy. Here's the headset itself. Open back. There's the volume, or gain, I believe technically it's called. These adjust right here. Foam, microphone. Okay, here's the headset. I'm going to give them a listen, play around with the mic, and I'm going to try to do a little review video, what my personal thoughts are. Where it plugs in at the bottom. I believe these are 28 ohms. Anyway, alright, thanks for watching. Techmaster170, signing out.